I'm sorry, Your Honor, but it's
I'm
just
gonna
like
let you talk,
Okay.
and I'm gonna
Okay.
let you finish talking, and then I'm gonna
sorry.
talk, and you're gonna be quiet. So go ahead. Tell me what else you want to tell me now for the second time, like I can't understand. You done?
Yes, yes, sir.
Do you guys need me? I mean, because if you don't need me, I can. So, Ms. McNeil, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna release the ma'am, don't disrespect me, please. Come back up here. Come back up here. You gotta file an answer or something. I mean, I see the documents you filed. Sir,
I'm sorry.
do not interrupt me. Westbourne Family Trust versus Darrell West.
Mark Lando for the plaintiff.
Darrell West, pro se.
And is this a term? All right, this is a termination of tenancy case. Mr. Lando, what's the...
There's a counterclaim also.
Well, Mr. Landau.
Yes, Your Honor. The basis for the termination is that Ms. Osborne and Mr. West are brother and sister. Ms. Osborne is the undisputed owner of the property. They've never had a lease, and Ms. Osborne has determined to end the landlord-tenant relationship with her brother and seek possession of the property back.
Sir, what's your position on this case?
Judge, this is not a landlord-tenant case. This is a barter contractual agreement between the two parties. They both appeared before this court in 2011 as co-plaintiffs for this property, and Your Honor's already established that Mr. Darrell West has standing as if he were the owner of the property. I've done consider.
I don't recall that ruling at all.
Absolutely, you denied motion for summary judgment based on her testimony.
But okay, well.
Anyway, we're here today. I'm contesting the eviction process and request a jury trial and it be put on the civil docket because I have a counterclaim. I've spent $20,000.
It doesn't work that way. Have you you got to file an answer or something? I mean, I see the documents you filed. Sir,
I'm sorry.
Do not interrupt me.
Sorry.
I see the documents that you filed. I don't know, Mr. Landau, have you received copies of it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So the interrogatories, well, it says plaintiff's first interrogatories. Your captions on all of these proceedings, sir, are wrong.
They can be corrected.
Pardon?
They can be corrected, Judge.
Yeah, and they will be. So everything, and let me just say, I don't know why I have an appeal brief in the Court of Appeals. I don't know.
That's establishing that the plaintiffs have filed the complaint for recovery, and in Section C, they say there's no other pending, unresolved, or resolved cases. That's false information. And also, in Section 8, they suggest that the property's been maintained properly during the residency, and that again is false information. She's provided...
Do you have a Court of Appeals case number?
Yes, I do. It's there. No, I don't. They're under review.
Yeah, I didn't think you
I
did.
have an interlocutory appeal case number. That case number is 374672.
Well, you're going to have to file. I'm not staying these proceedings. I looked at the circuit court case because of what you filed. That matter, I believe, was closed and dismissed. So, or at least a judgment. There's nothing pending in the circuit court. If you're saying there's something pending in the Court of Appeals, I don't have it. The Court of Appeals hasn't stayed these proceedings, and I'm not going to stay these proceedings. You're going to have to correct your pleadings in this matter so that the caption is correct. for anything that you're filing with this court. If it's not corrected by the next date, I'm going to strike the pleadings.
What is the error in them, Penny?
You look at it. I'm not here to give you legal advice. The captions are wrong.
Okay.
Lando, I can adjourn you to the 11th or the 18th. This is a termination, but I don't.
Let's go with the 11th, Your Honor, if that's all right.
Well, probably not, but whatever. All right, April 11th, 2025, 1 p.m.
Judge,
That's it. That's an in-person proceeding.
Judge, I'm in a wheelchair. I asked that I be allowed to Zoom audio.
You'll have to submit the form.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Judge, did you give a time for that hearing?
Pardon?
Did you give a time for that hearing?
Yes, at 1 o'clock, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. That's it for that block. All right. We're kind of on time. And to Miss Missouri from the front of the court, welcome to the chaos. Anyway, we'll see you on the next block. Court stands in recess. Court calls the case of Evergreen Apartments versus Matthew Chavez.
Mr. Chavez.
It's in Zoom. Chavez. I'm sorry, he's got one. Oh, okay.
Where's my video? Okay, can you see me?
Yep, we can see you. We can see
Okay,
you and hear you. All right.
Spectacular.
He was going to get an attorney, but how much does he owe at this point?
1723.18.
All right, same amount as last time. So, Mr. Chavez, did you talk to an attorney on this case?
I was able to talk to him. Basically, I don't owe this money. I don't understand why they won't take my ESA, but they have to because it's the law. So, like, they're charging me every pet rent every month. It's stacking up, and I have a letter from you.
Have you submitted the documentation to the landlord?
I have.
Do you have anything that is within the past half decade?
Within the past half decade.
Like, do you have anything from last year?
I submitted the letter from my doctor last year. Yeah, October of last year.
What was the date of the doctor's letter?
I'm not sure, but if you give me 10 minutes, I can find out.
10 minutes?
October 13th, the date of the letter was August 29th.
This is my Evelyn housing worker.
Hi, Judge.
That's your Avalon housing worker?
Yes.
Okay, so
He moved in May of 2024 with a lease that says no pets and also says that they will, actually, McKinley allows pets as long as you register and pay for them. And there's a provision for reasonable accommodation for ESAs. It's for those pets all the time.
correct.
And there's nothing current. And my client would be happy to work with them and maybe even adjust it.
I have the
All right.
email
Mr.
that I
Chavez, Mr. Chavez,
Yes, Your Honor.
when was the last time you talked to your landlord about the information, your ESA information?
Every time I talk to them, I bring this up, and they come up with excuses why they have to keep paying.
Mr. Chavez,
Yes,
when's the last time you submitted documentation?
October.
And October 2024. Do you
Yes.
have that?
I don't have
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do, folks.
it. To a settlement conference.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Is it April 8th? I'm gonna set a final settlement conference, April 8th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's in
Okay.
person, no
in person.
Zoom. So you'll have to come down to the court. I want you to bring
At 9
every
a.m.
piece of documentation you have regarding your animal.
Thank you.
You got it.
I can bring that for him, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Okay, I don't care who brings it. I just need it.
Okay, thank you.
I didn't figure.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, weekend.
You can do the same. I don't know why she's laughing. She's laughing because I'm having a hard time. That's you. No, don't look at the
Here, I'm good.
you know who I'm pointing at. All right. Peninsula Place versus Amadou Diane.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Diane,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are you?
I'm doing all right.
Okay, so this is a motion, but was this a termination or not payment? Not payment. It's a non-payment. Okay, for 256581.
Can
How
I
much?
say
What's
something, Your Honor?
hang on just a second. How much is owing?
1845.81.
1845.81. Okay. What did you want to say, Mr. Dan?
Yes, I had to write a letter to let you know a lot of stuff is wrong there. First off, it's been very hard communicating with staff. As far as I'm concerned, I shouldn't hold anything. Matter of fact, I might be into the April rent that's a paid partial of. And the reason why I can tell you this, why is that 18? Because they've been misplacing my money order. And I tried to talk to Mr. Fink's office like you ordered me to. The reason why they got a money order in the first place is you ordered me to deliver them the money in the office. They wouldn't take my payment. And I was very frustrated because I left work to deliver the money to them. They wouldn't take my payment and they wouldn't let me make online payment. So I left work on the 5th and I actually have that receipt here. And that's how they found it. And I keep kind of in contact and I'm being threatened to be evicted. That when the money is already paid for, I've been taking off work to be at a court. So all this money should already be on their site. And I had to tell them that I have the video of me delivered. They had to go find these money order and then post it on my account. They still haven't found all of them yet. I still have 2 receipts. They only posted 1 yet. And they say, I owe 18 something or whatever. But as far as I'm concerned, everything is paid up for. This is what if they said that I owe something, I just want to know which month so we can get to that so I can be done with it because I got a lot going on in the head. And eviction is not something that I want to even think of right now.
See if money in escrow, Your Honor.
I have 500 in escrow. She paid 500 into escrow. So that would bring, even according to your balance, his balance down to 1345 or somewhere around there.
Yes, sir. 1345.81.
All right. So what do you want to do?
I'd like money in escrow and I'd like you to sign my order of eviction. Unless he says he's gonna pay it.
All right.
I'm saying that you guys said that you guys need to look at the receipt and tell me which rent that was missed and that lead me to eviction that you said saying that I'm owing money because I pay everything. And this is before too, like you that I had to go to the office for almost like every day for them to look for that. We've been looking for it for like a month.
Diane,
Yes.
you're gonna have to go down to the office with your receipts or contact Mr. Fink's office with your receipts of that you paid.
Okay. I did all of that, and then not only that, I have video too, and then I posted it in the thing, and I drop it off to record it because I know this was gonna happen again. I'm moving so when my lease is over. I just don't want any time my record to just go by my business because this is I've been doing too much already.
Mr. Diane,
Yes.
I'm gonna release the escrow to them. So according to their balance, it's 1345.
But for which
You've
one?
got
What
a
I owe?
different-
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but
I'm gonna
that's
let
like
you talk,
Okay.
and I'm gonna
Okay.
let you finish talking, and then I'm gonna
sorry.
talk, and you're gonna be quiet. So go ahead. Tell me what else you want to tell me now for the second time, like I can't understand.
I'm sorry because you just said 13. I just want that part to be understand that if they said that I owe money for what rent and for what, like because as far as I'm concerned, I deliver everything to them. So, and like you said to go talk to the office people, I did talk to them, and not only that, I had a video of me delivering the mail in the day, and I have a receipt. I showed them they couldn't help me. So and that's why I'm lost about how can they help me now.
You done?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna release the money in escrow to the plaintiff. I need you to get your copies of your receipt or whatever you have and get those to Mr. Fink's office, the attorney, so they can take a look at it and talk with their client about it. You need to get that over to Mr. Fink's office as soon as possible. I'm going to sign the writ, but I'm going to indicate the writ cannot be executed before April 10th.
May I repeat back what I understand?
Yes.
He is going to provide me with any documentation of payments that he thinks my client missed.
Correct.
And then we'll check that out.
Correct.
May I say something?
Sure.
Yes. So how can I know what's missing if I don't, like, a payment was making a different form of the shape? Well, some was in the escrow, some was in the online, but for the most part, online. And I have made those payments to them, and they say that those payments are not in. I'm trying to know which, they can tell me which payment I missed. If I can pay my part. Money is like, if they saying that I missed like February, example, that's what rent that I do, show me that, and then I'll just like show you the receipt of that. That's what I'm asking the court to do, and they're telling me to. This is why the issue is coming in about, because
How much does he think the amount is off?
nothing. I'm personal. I paid everything, and matter of fact, that 500 that's in the escrow, that's going to like April. I pay all my rent, and like this was missing. We would look for it for a month, and I had to tell the lady.
Mr. Diane, here's what I'm gonna do. You're to be here April 8th, 9 a.m. for a hearing. You bring all the paper you have. You don't want to go down and see Mr. Fink. You don't want to do that. You want to try to overtalk me. You just come down here and you're going to have to show it. If it's not shown, a writ's going to issue that day. April 8th, 9 a.m. The escrow will still be released to the plaintiff.
Thank you.
This is not right.
Oh, I don't think you want to keep talking, because I could just sign this writ and be done. I'm trying to give you a chance.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't say another word. April 8th, 9 a.m. I signed that, so you got a hold.
Yeah.
Is that it for you?
Well, yeah, we had one more, Michael McFall, but I think I turned in a satisfaction.
What? About what? What case is it?
Your Honor, I just understand.
I don't, hold it, folks. I didn't call the case. So, what do you, I don't know, because I think Mr. Fink mentioned a name. The next thing you know, came up.
I would just
And
like
then-
you to order the escrow released in a case number 0332 to the plaintiff. We turned in a satisfaction. We just need the escrow released now.
Okay, is that your case? What's your name? Okay, so you had a question, and I'm telling you, I don't have a case and I don't have a file in front of me because the satisfaction got turned in. What's your question?
So I posted 950 escrow. In order for me to come in, the escrow still hasn't been used, so I want to figure out what's going on with the escrow. I just looked at my ledger and it said that I owe $1,600 still because the escrow hasn't been added and they've already added.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
That's what he just asked.
Okay,
But
and then the other question that I had was they sent me a written file for eviction. I just want to make sure that's going to be off my case ever since that's satisfactory.
Yes, Your Honor, I can explain this to my client. And I just want to put on the record, Ms. McFall has requested that plaintiff turn her oral back on so she can.
You're gonna email me.
I already did.
That's-
Okay, but I can explain.
Charged the extra fee.
Yeah, she doesn't.
Do you guys need me? I mean, 'cause if you don't need me, I can.
Are you okay with that?
So, Ms. McVale, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna release the, ma'am, don't disrespect me, please. Come back up here. Come back up here.
You're on control.
Yes. Just stay right there. Come on. I know you told me. I know. I understand. I'm just trying to explain to you what's gonna happen. So they filed. All right. Just, Miss Bauer, hold on a moment. Look, young lady, I don't have a case in front of me. That's why it makes me difficult to say anything. But what everybody's telling me is the same thing, okay? And that is that you paid money in escrow. I remember you. How much do you have? You got $950 in escrow. When did she pay that in escrow?
February.
You don't have an order from me releasing it yet, okay?
No, just the request from Mr. Fink's office. He emailed us.
Okay. So the reason the escrow is still sitting with us is because we didn't get a request to release it. I wouldn't release your money unless either you told me to do that or Mr. Fink's office. So now I have the request. You're telling me to release it. I'm going to release it to them. It will get on your account. Okay? Then, Mr. Fink, you sent an email to him so she can get their portal reopened so that then she can pay her April rent. Because the 950 catch you up? Credit in April, right? Okay.
Judge, I'm gonna do it before I leave the court.
Good enough. Okay?
I think Ms. McFall has really worked hard, and I think she just.
No, I know. And I remember her being up here. I remember her trying to get it through. And the problem is that when a satisfaction comes in, I don't get the case. That's why I don't have your case out here. And so the answer to your question is, we will get that escrow released. It'll be applied to your account. It's gonna take a few days for it to get out of here. It'll be applied to your account. You should see it on your account. He's gonna get your portal reopened, and then it's all gonna be set, okay? Any other question? Thank you. You have a good weekend. Hey, folks, if you could, I'm going to take about a 5 to 7.5 minute break, and I will come back because I want the rest of this day. I want to continue to try to be a good person, and right now that might be a stretch.
Today's docket showed just how different eviction cases can be, even though they all involve housing disputes. In one case, a family disagreement over property ownership turned into a legal battle over possession. In another, the court paused the process so an emotional support animal accommodation could be properly documented instead of rushing to judgment. Then came disputes over missing rent payments, escrow funds, and accounting records, where the judge repeatedly focused on one thing: credible evidence. Throughout these hearings, the court balanced enforcing procedural rules with giving people a fair opportunity to present their side. That's an important reminder that housing cases often depend less on emotion and more on paperwork, timeline, and proof. If you found these courtroom moments interesting, let us know which case stood out the most in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who enjoys real courtroom proceedings, and subscribe for more in-depth courtroom breakdowns and legal case analysis.